WTI. And if you're looking for some really modern industrial farmhouse type lighting, I think you will love this light fixture from MAYNA. It's such a simple design. It's square. It has the nice wood element with that black metal. Sleek lines, not overly complicated, but really looks polished and finishes up a space. We have this installed in our mudroom. I find it ties the whole theme of my house together. I absolutely love the look, but most importantly, it was a breeze to install. It comes with the plate, so you just have to make sure that when you're installing that, you line it up so it's squared up with your room. But other than that, just a couple of screws. Of course, you have to attach your wiring, but that only takes about 5 minutes tops, and then it's all installed and ready to brighten your space. Now, of course, this would look even better with prettier light bulbs. We're just using regular light bulbs right now. But even as is, this is exactly what I was looking for. It's really nice quality, and this one just looks sleek and modern and really beautiful, and I'm sure you will love it in your space too. And that's my point of view.